Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Shraddha's Physics. This video is specially for the aspirants who are preparing for OSSTD, KVS, NBS, regular teacher or any graduate level teacher exam.
Some problems related to the friction. The first question is, a block of 10 kg is pulled at a constant speed on a rough horizontal surface by a force of 20 Newton. So find the coefficient of kinetic friction. So here G is given 10 meter per second square. So what is given? The kinetic friction is given, that is 20 Newton. And what is normal reaction? That is mg, you know. So mass is given here 10 kg and G is given 10 meter per second square. So this is 100 Newton, or you can see that Fk equal to mu k, or you can write mu k equal to Fk by R. So that is Fk is your 20 Newton divided by 100 Newton. So 20 by 100, that is 0.2. It has no unit. So the next question is, a heavy box of mass 20 kg is placed on a horizontal surface. If coefficient of kinetic friction between the box and the horizontal surface is 0.25, calculate the force of kinetic friction and also calculate the acceleration produced under a force of 98 Newton applied horizontally. Well, what is given? So mass is 20 kg, coefficient of kinetic friction is 0.25 and this kinetic friction is 98 Newton. This much is given, and you know F equal to mu k into R, kinetic friction. Sorry, this is not kinetic friction, this is the force applied. This is 98 Newton, the force applied, and we have to calculate the kinetic friction. Okay, so this kinetic friction is mu k into R, so that is equal to mu k times R is, you know, mg. R is balanced by mg, so R is mg, so mu k is given 0.25 into mass is 20 into G is 9.8, so that is equal to 49 Newton. So the forces that produces acceleration is F equal to the forces applied minus the kinetic friction. So that is F prime is given 98 Newton minus the 49 Newton. So that is equal to 49 Newton. So the force, you know, that produces acceleration means mass into acceleration. Otherwise acceleration equal to force by mass, or this force is 49 Newton divided by mass is 20 kg. So that is 2.45 meter per second square. So the next question is, a wooden block is kept on a polished wooden plank whose inclination is increased gradually. The block starts slipping when the plank makes an angle of 25 degree with the horizontal. However, once started, the block can continue with uniform speed. So if the inclination is reduced to 21 degree, calculate the coefficient of static and dynamic friction between the block and the plank. So here the angle of repose alpha is 25 degree. So the coefficient of static friction mu s is, you know, that is tan alpha. So that is equal to tan 25 degree. So that value is 0.4663. So if the block continues to move uniformly, in that case theta will be equal to 21 degree. So the coefficient of dynamic friction is mu k equal to tan theta. So that is tan 21 degree, that is 0.3839. So for angle of repose, you have to calculate static friction, and when the block continues to move, in that case you have to calculate obviously the dynamic friction. So if you have any doubt in this problem, so you can see first the theory that we have already discussed. So that after you have to solve some questions. So a 3 kg box rests on a horizontal table. The coefficient of static and the kinetic friction between the box and the table are mu s is 0.6 and mu k is 0.5. So it is static coefficient and this is the coefficient of kinetic friction. So the box is pulled by a string at an angle of 30 degree as shown in the figure. So find the frictional force and the acceleration of the box if the tension in the string is 10 Newton. So here you can see that mass is 3 kg. If you resolve this T, that is the 10 Newton, then this will be the x component is T cos theta and the y component is, this will be T sin theta, this Ty component. So you can write Tx is T cos theta, or T is given 10 Newton into cosine, this angle is 30 degree. So this value is 8.66 Newton. Again, Ty component is T sin theta, that is equal to 10 sin 30 degree, that is equal to 5 Newton. So here you can see that there will be no acceleration in the vertical direction. So the no acceleration means the net force is 0 in the vertical direction. Okay. Then you can see that this R, this normal reaction R plus this is T sin theta is balanced by mg. So R plus T sin theta is equal to mg, or that is equal to R equal to mass is 5 into G is 9.8 minus this T sin 30 that is 10 sin 30 that is equal to 24.4 Newton. This is the normal reaction. Then again the limiting friction is mu SR. So that is equal to mu S is given 0.6 into our normal reaction is 24.4, that is 14.7 Newton. Here you can see that, so this T cos theta, this horizontal tension or the horizontal force is 8.66 Newton. But here you can see that the limiting friction is 14.7 Newton. So here the Tx is less than F. So the frictional force will be 8.66 Newton. So here you can see acceleration is also 0. Acceleration will be 0 because the force that we have applied, or the tension, this force, that is 10 Newton. But here you can see that the limiting friction is 14.7 Newton. We have already discussed that your kinetic friction is always slightly less than the limiting friction. So this Tx is less than F. So the box will not accelerate horizontally. So if the box will not accelerate horizontal, it means acceleration is 0.